To test the sensors against each other, first we open a fresh bottle of Corona and take a small sip to make sure it is indeed an alcohol. First sensor is a regular MQ-3 module. We will just use some AI slop code because it does a pretty good job with short scripts. The clean air baseline here is 300 something, as you can see, and when I blow into it, it goes lower sometimes. After playing around with MQ-3 modules, I realized there has to be a specific way of blowing air into them, and any other technique will end up in raw values going down for some fucking reason, which I already do not like in these modules. But putting a Corona bottle into the sensors makes the values go up, so it does work. Next up we have SEN-0128 module, which is just another MQ-3 sensor in a different package. Results are pretty much the same as with the classic MQ-3 module. Baseline is around 300-ish. Actually, it is not. After testing the sensor once again, I realized that the baseline depends on how much warm-up time you give it, as can be seen on the screen. And blowing air too hard gets this little boy acting up with values going down. But if you blow him right or put alcohol right to his face, then it's all good. And finally, my beloved electrochemical ethanol sensor with a baseline of clean air of 210-ish. There is no issue with the sensor regards how hard you can blow into it, but as can be seen, it does sometimes jump up and down quite a bit, which could mess up the average reading if not taken into consideration. But it also could be due to loose wires connections on my Chinese Arduino Uno. And for conclusion, I'd say that I personally will not be using MQ-3 modules. And while, yeah, the issue with blowing too hard into them can be possibly avoided by making a case, for example, by 3D printing it, right, with a tube leading air into the sensor, but